Hello, my name is Orwell, and you're listening to Sounds of Self on Lily's Radio. As you may have picked up by my pseudonym, I am a particularly big fan of the fiction writer George Orwell, who writes predominantly about socio-political from the lens of dystopia. Dystopia is an imagined state or society in which there is great suffering, typically described as post-apocalyptic. It's easy to feel in our current society that things are a bit dystopic, and it's easy to feel like an episode of Black Mirror is perhaps a bit too on the nose. But this state is imagined, much like a utopia would be, the opposite state of dystopia, the ideal and almost perfect society. For me, spaces and music can emulate these two states, and I find myself in moments jumping between the two as one song mixes into the next. Michel Foucault's writing encapsulates these feelings as he locates a third place, which he calls a heterotopia. They are real places within society, cultural, institutional, and discursive spaces that are somehow other, disturbing, intense, incompatible, contradictory, or transforming. They are not utopian in the sense of idealized perfect spaces, but rather spaces that simultaneously reflect, unsettle, invert the dominant spaces and practices of society. Examples include prisons and asylums and cemeteries and casinos and hospitals, the theater, and even spaces like gardens or festivals that can be both real and yet somehow exist outside of the ordinary, and they allow us to access parts of ourselves that are incompatible with dominant culture. A great example of this is a nightclub, and that's what Sounds of Self is about. Each episode will be dedicated to one sound of self that can be explored through nightlife and dance music, and through the lens of these strange and wonderful imagined and existing spaces. Today, I invite you to lead into the dystopic and come with me to find the sounds of the shadow. that there is yin and yang and a balance must be found. The place I find I can express my shadow most clearly is on the dance floor. Driving at night on empty roads in industrial Joburg, the abandoned warehouses, street-side fires that keep those without a home warm, and passing orange-hued streetlights reflect a vision of dystopia. The city buzzes in its decay, and in the distance you can hear the rattling and booming of bass against the walls of dimly lit nightclubs. There's a sense in those spaces that you are anonymous, that you could slip into the shadow with eyes closed and sway without interruption. We access our shadow in the smoke, escaping definitions of what society deems as common practice, and falling into a trance through rhythm. I think that accessing the shadow can be incredibly liberating, but also poses a danger. In a country where gender-based violence is an epidemic, the shadow of others can also be a really scary reality. In response to this, there has been a really positive movement in the nightlife scene, which has been establishing safety teams to survey and ensure the safety of nightlife patrons outside of the parameters of what nightlife is usually like. I see these protectors as shamans in some way. They protect those around us and, make sure that everybody is kind of in harmony. And with time, perhaps we can turn nightlife into the sanctuary that will allow our shadows to be set free and be safe together. But until then, all we have is sounds to help us find sanctuary from within.
I stand in front of myself, the engineer out here, and today, sometimes I record right here by my console. I stand in front of myself. Doubtful dog. Doubtful dog. Generated from machines. Back in the day, we didn't have loop. Do it over and be a master of your craft. But once you find that groove, hang on to that groove, hold that groove, lay it down. But today is you go to someone's song, and we've never done it. I've never done it, but I'm going to do it just because it's the thing to do. It's the sound, it's the feel. You know, you go to someone's song, you find a 4-bar section or 2-bar something. Go to someone's song, you find a 4-bar section or 2-bar pattern or half a bar, and you take it and you make a loop out of it, and you create your feel off of that. It's all good. I think recording practices have changed for I stand in front of myself, do it over and be a master of your craft. But once you find that groove, hang on to that groove, hold that groove, lay it down. Today is
I can't control how my feet move with the beat. The beat done bought me at the price of no defeat. So I'm moving, bod grooving, shaking out of control, head spinning like a roll on a voice of the beat, heat, hot, go, roll, bot, yo, roll, bot, now flash it to the back. Now flash it to the back. Now flash it to the back, cabbage patch attack. Let me see your hands go flat. Rebot, robot. Rebot, robot. Rebot, robot. Rebot, robot. I can't control how my feet move with the beat. The beat done bought me at the price of no defeat. So I'm moving, vibe, grooving, shaking out of control, head spinning like a roll on a voice of the beat, heat, hot, go, roll, bot, yo, roll, bot. Now flash it to the back. Now flash it to the back. Now flash it to the back, cabbage patch attack. Let me see your hands go flat. Rebot, robot. Rebot, robot. Rebot, robot. Rebot, robot. I can't control how my feet move with the beat. The beat done bought me at the price of no defeat. So I'm moving, vibe, grooving, shaking out of control, head spinning like a roll on a voice of the beat, heat, hot, go, roll, bot, yo, roll, bot. Now flash it to the back. Now flash it to the back. Now flash it to the back, catch patch attack. Let me see your hands go flat. Rebot, robot. 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 Rebot, robot.
That was Sounds of Self on Elite Radio. My name is ORWELL. I hope that we can find ourselves together again.